If you use Google Sheets for checklists, you probably already know you can insert checkboxes. And you might also know the emoji shortcut, Control plus Command plus spacebar. Super handy. But here's something most people don't know. You can add bullet points inside a single cell. Yep. Inside one cell. Here's how. On a Mac, press Option plus 8. That instantly inserts a bullet point. Now just type your text. Want it to look cleaner? I like to add a space after the bullet. Gives it some breathing room. Need multiple bullet points in the same cell. Press Command plus Enter to create a line break inside the cell. Then hit Option plus 8 again. Type your next line. Repeat that as many times as you need. Now you've got beautifully formatted bullet points, all inside one cell in Google Sheets. Simple, clean, powerful. If you want to level up your Sheets skills, automate smarter, design cleaner dashboards, and actually enjoy working in Google Sheets, make sure you subscribe to Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Let's make your spreadsheets work for you, not the other way around.